Hello, Chris Myers with the Orlando Property Group, Orlando's premier short sale team. Wanted to bring you a quick Avalon Park market update regarding short sales for the year 2011. And how is that going to change in 2012? Okay? In 2011, there were 220 properties listed total in Avalon Park. 62 of those were traditional sales, so not short sale, not foreclosure or bank-owned property. 119 properties were listed as a short sale in Avalon Park. Avalon Park is one of the heaviest hit areas in Orlando for short sales. Now, 39 properties were foreclosures. So those are the people who waited too long or didn't know that a short sale was an option. And it's a shame because they're going to be impacted so much more heavily than they would have had they been able to do a short sale. Now, regarding sales activity in 2011, there were 102 total properties sold in Avalon Park in 2011. 31 of those were traditional sales. 43 were short sales. And 28 were bank-owned and foreclosure. So as you can see, the short sale and the bank-owned foreclosure market far outweighs the traditional market in Avalon Park. What are we expecting in 2012? Well, we're expecting a tsunami of foreclosures to hit the market, putting downward pressure on prices. So we're going to see more people underwater. Now, why is that the case? Well, in 2011, the banks put the brakes on foreclosures and short sales, simply due to the robo-signing scandal. And they have worked out all the details of the settlement with the banks, with the states, and now they have a new blueprint given to them by the court to do foreclosures more quickly, more efficiently. So if you're one of the people that was trying to ride it out and stay in your home as long as possible without making payments, now is the time to put it on the market as a short sale, because a foreclosure is going to have such a huge impact on you that a lot of people don't even realize. There's a huge likelihood that the bank will sue you for the difference in the end, the amount that they lose. Call us. We want to answer all your questions about short sales and your different options. We'll put you in touch with the best attorneys who are familiar with short sales, foreclosures, and the real estate market. They can answer all your questions about the legal implications of a short sale versus a foreclosure. And we'll put you in touch with accountants who can do the same. You need that expert advice. Give us a call at 877-586-2636. We're happy to help you and help put your Avalon Park home on the market as a short sale to avoid foreclosure. Now, you can find more information on our short sale video blog, orlandoshort.com. And if you're one of the people who is wondering, hey, am I only going to have to wait this out a year, 2 years, or 10 to 15 years before my home is an asset once again? Go to our short sale calculator. It's in the upper right-hand corner of our website, orlandoshort.com. Upper right-hand corner, enter your contact information, your mortgage information, your property information, and we will send you an immediate report showing you how many years you're going to have to wait, whether it's 2 months, 1 year, 15 years, at different rates of appreciation, so you can make an informed decision on whether you want to stay in your home, whether you want to rent it out, whether maybe now's the time to do a short sale. So, we look forward to speaking with you soon. Hope you have a great day. Thank you so much.